Hello, welcome to our recorded class. This is a recorded class for the nursery level online class. Hi, Bella, Shane, and also Zainab. We're going to start with our class. And here, let's start with our calendar. So how about for our date today? Today's date, it is November 13, 2024. That's our date today. And in our calendar here on the screen, let's find November 13. This is November 13. I circled it for you on the screen. Now, if you have a calendar in your house there, you can check it out after we do our work and watching this video. So let's erase this one and let's jump to another part of our class, and that is to count our numbers from 1 to 25. So let me fix first my picture and screen for you to see our numbers. Okay, are you ready? Let's fix our screen here on the side. Let me move something else, okay? On my screen, on my end. So how about for our numbers? I'll check it for you and we will count together, okay? The first one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So those are the numbers that we counted here on the screen, 1 to 25. Let me erase the writings here. Let's clear it out. And how about let's jump to the next part, and that is to meet our letter friend. Our letter friend today is the letter M. Just like yesterday, remember, M has the sound. The sound of M is M. The sound of M is M. All the letters make a sound. The sound of M is M. M is for the mittens, moon and mop, milk and man. We also have the mouse. They all make a sound. The sound. Letter M. Letter M. Remember, there are two kinds of letter M. We have the capital M and the lowercase letter M. So these are the M's that we have here, capital and lowercase, two kinds. Now let's jump to another part of our class, and that is to remember that letter M is part of our alligator letter series. Remember, the alligator letters are short and fit under the dotted line. So when you write it down, lowercase m should go under the dotted line like our alligator. So how about I write it here on the screen so that you can also check it. So let me fix our color here for our marker. Okay. How about for the capital M first? Remember, capital M, you have to make a line down, go back up, down, we go. So we have capital letter M. That's what your capital M should look like. Lowercase m, it has to be like the alligator under the dotted line. So line down, make two mountains. One, two. That is our lowercase m. So remember, capital M and lowercase m, they might look different, but they have the same sound, the sound. Always remember, lowercase m goes under the dotted line. Let me erase this one. Let's clear out what's on our screen. And let's jump to this one. So if you have your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker and eraser, you get to write the words with me just like on the screen. I'll start with the first word here. Let me fix this one. I'll check for the marker and change the color. Okay, here. Our words, the first word that we will do is mix. It begins with letter M. M, I, and X. This is the word mix. I want to mix all the ingredients. Mix. Mix. If you have a big bowl, you put all the ingredients inside when you're baking, when you're cooking. Mix. We have M-I-X, mix. How about for this one? What about math? M. Next one, we have letter A. And your letter T, math. M-A-T, mat. I will sit on the clean mat. So the mat is what you use to put on the floor. Maybe the mat that you need to put your shoes, the dirty shoes, so that the shoes won't dirty the floor inside your house. So that's mat. What about another M word? Let's go to mom. M, O, and letter M, mom. You can call your mommy mom. M-O-M. When we sound spell, it's o, mom. We have the word mom. Let's erase this one. Let's do another M word this time. It's the map. So, pirates need to check their map for the treasure. M-A. And the letter P. This is map. Let's sound spell. A, a, map. I have a map. Let's erase. Let's move to another M word. We have our mug. M, U, and the letter G, mug. So let's sound spell. G, mm, G. This is our mug. I want to drink my coffee from the mug. Adults drink coffee. Maybe you see your mommy or your daddy drink coffee from the mug on your table in the kitchen table during breakfast. Okay, the next one. How about let's do men? M, E. Oops, let me erase. I think my letters are not right. You have to write it properly. M, E, and letter N to make the word men. And. And. It's the word man. Your uncle, your daddy, your grandpa, they are all men. There's a group of them, men. But if it's only one, that's man. But if there's a lot, we call them men. Now, we're done already with writing for our M words. If I am being fast, you can pause the video, play it again once you're done. Are you done with writing, right? Because if you're done, can we move to the next page, the next slide? And that is to read our sentences about our M words. So how about you read with me? Let's do our sentence for the map. Can we read? We can see the map. Let's go back. We can see the map. We use our map to check for the places that we need to go to. Next one. We can see the map. Let's go back. We can see the mat. Where is our mat? Sometimes we see it in front of the door to wipe our shoes on, or in front of our, when you go inside your house, you have a mat. Next one. We can see the men. Let's go back. We can see the men. So these are all the men, they are talking. If there's a lot of them, you call them men. But if there's only one, it's a man. So those are some of our M words. Let's go jump to another set. This time, let's read for our mop. We can see the mop. Let's go back. We can see the mop. So this is our mop. We use it to clean the floor. That's the mop. When there's a spill, you need to clean it with a mop. Okay, another one. This time it's for the mug. We can see the mug. Let's go back. We can see the mug. So this is our mug. It's a container for our drinks. For you, you can drink your water or your milk from the mug. But for the adults, we drink tea or maybe coffee from our mug. Now, that ends our lesson for this work for letter M. We are going to move to another part of our class, and that is for work time. I am showing you the work that we will need to do for today in your second quarter book. And this one is for our read and match, write worksheet. We'll start with page 84. See, this is our work for today. The first part. Now, if I am too fast, you can stop the video, play it again once you are done. Okay? So let us start. Let us begin. You have to write your name at the top, and I should know that you need to do that one. We'll have to check when you come here back to school. And then we have to match also our words to the pictures and write it in the correct box. So you can follow me also if you're having a hard time where to put your words. Let me number our boxes so that we won't forget what box it needs to go. You won't get confused. If you're done already writing for your name, good job. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's start with the first one here. M-I-X. It's the word mix. Where can mix go? In what picture do we need to match it? Mix. You mix all the ingredients inside the bowl. Maybe using a spoon or a mixer. Where is mix? Is it this one or this one? The one with my pencil, that is mix. Let's make a line. Now, where do we put mix? The word mix has an alligator letter M, an alligator letter I, and an alligator letter X. Where can we put it? In number 1 or in number 2? Where can mix fit? Mix can fit in the number 2 because we have M, it's a wide letter. The I here has a small space for I to fit. And your letter X. Mix. Don't forget, make a line for your mix here. See? That's your mix. Okay, the next one. We have mat. Mat. Where can we make a line for mat? I put my shoes on the mat. I rubbed my shoes on the mat because it was dirty. Where is your mat? Mat is where? Here. The one in the orange line, that's mat. Where can we put mat? Can we put it in number 4 or in number 5? Remember, two alligator letters, M and A, and then there's a tall or giraffe letter for letter T. Is it in 4 or in number 5? We have to put it in number 5. M, A, and the letter T. This is mat. That's the box for mat. Let's make a line for mat. Okay, next one. Done with the mat. How about mom? You call your mommy also mom. So where is mom? Mom is this one. M-O-M. Where can we put mom? In number 1 or in number 6? Mom has two alligator letters that are wide. Here at both ends, the letter M. And there's O in the middle, mom. Where can we fit it, in 1 or in number 6? It should go in number 6. M, O, and the letter M, that's our word mom. So let's make a line. We have our mom. Okay, next. What about this one? M-A-P. Map. Map. Where is map? The map is what we use to also check for the places that we need to go. Map. It's this picture. That's our map. Now, where can we put map? Map has M, an alligator letter, A, an alligator letter also, and a kate letter, letter P. It goes down. Map. Where can it fit, in number 1 or in number 3? It should go in number 1. M, A. And the letter P, that's our word map. Let's make a line also for our map. Done with our map. Now let's move on to the next one. This time we have g, mug. Mug. I can drink water from the mug. Where's your mug? The one here that we use for drinking. It's the mug. Now, where can we put mug? Mug has the letters M and U, both alligator letters. It ends with G and it's a cat tail letter. It goes down. It has a tail. So where can it fit, in number 3 or in number 4? Mug. Mug. Mug goes in number 4. So let's write for mug M, U. And the letter G, mug. Go around, up, and down with a hook, mug. Let's make a line for our mug. Okay, last one. Our last word, we have n. Men. Men. Our men. These are the men. That's the picture of them. There's 3 of them. They're in a group. Men. Where can we put men? It's in the last box in number 3. M, E, and N, men. So let's go read for our M words. We have our map, our mix, our men, our mug, mat, and mom. Now, if you are not yet done with the work, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Are you done with this work? Can I move to the next page? Let me erase this one. And let's go to this. So we have to build our sentence for letter M. How about you write your name first and you cut also the cutouts for your sentence that we need to paste on our work. I will count to 10, and once I'm done counting for 10, I will begin answering. But if you're not yet done, you pause the video. You play it again once you are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, done already for counting 1 to 10. If you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let me read the sentence and then I will also paste the sentences inside a box. So let's read it. We have, we can see the map. So this is our sentence for the map. Okay, next one. Let's go back. We can see the map. Where is our sentence? Let's build it. It's on the side. I already cut it for you. So let's put it back. We can see the map. That's our sentence. We can see the map. How about for writing our sentence? Let's write it. W, down, and up. We, then can. C-A-N, can. C-S-E-E, see. The, T-H-E, the map. M, A, and letter P. End sentence with a period. And now, how about we color for our picture? So we have the map. We use our map to check the places that we need to go. So when you're coloring, try not to get out of the line when you color. Try to make it neat and nice. So let me color some more. Now for you have to try doing it, not going out of the line. Try not to make lampas. Try to make it neat and nice. So I have here the map. M-A-P, map. Are you done with this work? If you're done, good job. But if you're not yet done, remember, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Can I move to the next page? I'll move to the next work, and that is for our math, okay? So how about you read it with me? Again, let's do reading. We can see the map. So let's go back. We can see the map. Our sentence is about the math. So how about we paste for our words? We can see the word the map. Okay, let me fix this one. Let's put it here. There's something wrong. The math. Okay, let's go back and let's read if it's right. We can see the mat. And let's write the sentence at the bottom. The word we, down and up, W, and there's E, line, around and out. We can see A and N. Can see S-E-E. The word T-H-E, the mat, M-A, and letter T, mat. End sentence with a period. We can see the mat. And you need to color for your pictures. So let's color this one. I have the pink mat. Okay, there's something wrong with this one when I colored. Let's erase this one. Remember, when you color, you try to color neatly. Try not to get out of the line when you color as much as possible. Color the inside. Try not to get out of the line. And color the white spaces. Okay, you're done already with this one for math. Because if you're done with this one, I should move on to the next page. But remember, if I am too fast, you pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let me erase this one. And let's jump to the next part. And that is for our men. Okay, so let's read for our sentence about the men. We can see the men. Okay, let's go back. We have we can see the men. That's our sentence about the men. Okay, let's build the sentence. Capital W. We can see the men. Okay, let's read our sentence. We can see the men. And let's write for it our sentence. We, W, E. That's the word we. And then can. We have C, A, letter N. Can. C, S, E, E. The, T, H, E. The men, M, E, and the letter N. And always end with a period for your sentence. So let's go back. Our sentences. We can see the men. Use your crayon to color for the pictures of your men. So there's three of them. That's why we call them men. But if it's only one, it's not men anymore, but man. Okay, now that we're done with this one, let me erase the writings on the screen. But first, let me ask you, are you done with this work? Not yet. If you're done, good job. Let's move to the next page. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let me erase this one and I'll jump to the next page. So what's our next M word? This time it is about the mop. So let's read our sentence. Let's go to our sentence reading. We have we can see the mop. Let's go back. We can see the mop. How about for our cutouts? Let's paste the right word. So the first one we have we can can see the mop. So let's read it. We can see the mop. Let's go read. Oh, sorry. Let's go write for our sentence because we're done reading for it. So let's have we first. W-E. We can. C-A-N. Can. See. S-E-E. See the. T-H. Letter E. See the mop. M O and the letter P. Mop. End it with a period. So we have our sentence for the mop. It says we can see the mop. And you get to color for your mop, please. Color properly. Try not to get out of the line. Oops, let me fix that. I don't have control over my mouse. Let's color it again. So we have our mop, M-O-P, mop. If you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Are you done finishing for the word mop? Because if you're done, let me go to the next page, okay? And this time, this will be the last page for our bookwork, and that is about the word mug. So let's read the sentence. We can see the mug. Oops, let me fix that mug. Again, we can see the mug. Remember, the mug is where you can drink your drink. Maybe it's juice, it's water, if it's milk, you have the mug. Maybe you see your mommy or your daddy drink coffee from a mug. So the first word in our sentence, we have capital W. It's the word we. Next one, we can see the mug. Okay. So that's our sentence. We can see the mug. How about for our sentence here? Let's write them. W, W, E. Can. C, A, N. Can. C, S, E, E. See the. T, H, E. The mug. M, U, and the letter G. Mug. End sentence with a period. Let's color for our picture of the mug, okay? So here we have our mug. Try not to go out of the line when you color. So we have our mug already. It says we can see the mug. So that's our last page for the book. But you still have to do your letter M crown. Now, if you don't have your crown with you for the work today, you will do it with your teacher in the class when you go back, okay? So for our letter M, let's trace M. Line down, you slide up and down, capital M, lowercase m, line down to mountain. So 1 and 2. Let's go back. Trace for your letter M's. All of your M's, both capital and lowercase m. So you try to follow the dotted lines for your M, please. Okay. It says here in your crown, I know the letter M. So let's trace capital M and your lowercase letter m. Don't forget to put the glue or staple in this part because it will also attach here in your crown. So that's where you will need to put glue or staple. Now, for your pictures, you have to color the things that begin with M and cut them to put inside your crown. So we have M for the mouse. It's smaller than a rat. M is for the mushroom. And M is for the monkey. So we have all the things but that begin with the letter M. And remember, M has the sound. The sound of M is m. The sound of M is m. All the letters make a sound. The sound of M is m. M is for the mouse. M is for the mushroom. M is for the monkey. They all have M. The M sound is the sound, letter M, letter M. So we have our M crown. And if you're done doing this work, good job. If you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. I'll count from 1 to 10. I'll move to the next page already, to the next set for our screen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, I need to erase the things here on our screen because I'll be moving on to the next slide. And that is to tell you that you did a good job if you finished the work today. I hope that you did because the next part is to show you our sticker friend. So I have here your names, girls. Bella, Shane, and Zainab. So for Bella, I'll put your name here. You'll get this sticker friend. Shane will have the sticker friend with the heart. And Zainab will also have the sticker friend in this part. Okay. I hope that you finished the work for today, everybody. And thank you for watching this video, finishing the work for today. And I will see you again in our next class. Bye-bye.